Hey there everyone, this is my favorite webcam in the world. It's my Logitech Pro Webcam C920, and I've actually had this 920 for about 2 years now, over 2 years actually now. And it was actually suggested to me by my boss. It's the webcam that pretty much everyone has in the office, like on their computers or laptops. And just for being good for really good videos when you're FaceTiming on Mac, or video conference on Skype, or like the video chatting now that they have on Facebook. So went out and got me one of these, and it hooks up very easily. There's really not much to do. It's going to come just like this with the cord attached and the USB attachment. And then I'm going to show you with the laptop here in a second. And then the installation software, you actually can just download it online. So it's just really a very easy peasy, wham bam, plug and play type webcam. Luckily, because I am not tech savvy at all. So a bit more about this webcam. It is high definition 1080p for your pictures and your videos. High definition video chat. It's 1080p on Skype. Now it's 720p on FaceTime for Mac. It has speakers on each side, so it's going to give two microphones rather. It has two microphones on each side of the cam, so it's going to give you really great stereo audio. It has autofocus and is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, or later. Before this one, I had another Logitech webcam. Definitely wasn't a C920, well, of course. I can't remember exactly which model, but it's definitely not as crisp and clear as this one. So I pretty much just set that other one to the side and just using this one right now. And then of course the ones that come on the laptop sometimes can really just not be up to par, especially mine. And I have a relatively new laptop, but the picture quality is just not good enough. So I decided to get this C920 with a suggestion of my boss. So to use, you're just going to hook the camera up at the top of your laptop screen and then just plug it into a USB port. And let's see, get my camera going here. So as you can see right now, this is the quality, the picture quality and video quality of just the cam on my laptop. And then you can see this is the video and picture quality with the Logitech webcam here with the high definition 1080p. So big difference. Again, let's move it. That is without the webcam, and that is with the webcam, and that is with the webcam there. So yeah, very big difference. So that was the Logitech webcam C920, and it's the Pro Webcam, so it's very good. Great quality. I really like it. It does travel pretty well. It folds down. It doesn't fold down too much, but it folds down just a bit. Wrap up that cord there if you are going on a trip or want to put it in your briefcase or your purse or something like that. I've owned it, like I said, like a little bit over 2 years. It works perfectly. Nothing has broken. I haven't had to replace anything. You don't have to worry about batteries, of course, for a webcam. You just plug it right on into your computer or your laptop. The sound quality is great whenever I do like record a video or do a conference call or something like that. Sometimes the screen can get fingerprinty, you know, moving it around and stuff like that. So, but it'll wipe off really easily with a soft cloth. It's not really something I would recommend for small children, you know, to handle, because, you know, they might be a little bit rough and, you know, could break something. But just a really cool webcam to have overall if you're looking for that really crisp and clear quality that, of course, everyone is going to want. And Logitech was founded in 1981 in Apples, Switzerland. And with my luck, watch it be a fancy Apples and not apples. Just kidding, who knows. But they have offices in California, in Switzerland, of course, in China, and in Japan. They have products that are distributed in more than, oh, that one in Taiwan too, and products distributed in more than 100 countries. And like I said, if you're not tech savvy, this is still a really good webcam for you, because if I can do it, you can do it. So if you are in search of one, this is a webcam that I have used a lot in the past couple years, and it still works absolutely fine. And yeah, there's just no need for me to get anything else. Thanks so much for watching.